You have now explored how gender equality and social inclusion can be embedded into restoration planning and implementation, not as a side issue, but as a foundation for success. Next, let's build on that theme by turning into Indigenous peoples and local communities. Their customary governance systems and knowledge play a vital role in sustaining ecosystems, and restoration efforts that ignore them do so at their peril. In the following task, you will learn how to support Indigenous and community-led conservation efforts, including Indigenous and community-conserved areas, and how to engage Indigenous peoples and local communities meaningfully in restoration. This includes upholding the right to free, prior, and informed consent, and co-designing restoration approaches that are inclusive, equitable, and lasting.